welcome to the Nook. I'm here with Josie today. I'm Josie's mom, and we're making a really simple, delicious, healthy popsicle. It's a watermelon popsicle, and it's kind of a tricky, sneaky popsicle. So you're gonna take a watermelon, have an adult help you, go ahead and get it cut into triangle pieces, and with the help of an adult supervising, you're just gonna take a knife and hold the firm part, and you're going to make a little indent, just like so. And then you're going to have a popsicle stick with my assistant, and you're going to stick it firmly into the watermelon. Push it hard. You got it. Good job. Now hold it up. So now you have your popsicle. So you're going to add the beautiful, it's all about presentation. So we're going to do a cupcake holder, and I just used a scissor, folded it in half, and did a little snip. And you can put that right on the popsicle stick, just like that. Here, I'll help you. I'll hold this. And you just go ahead and put this in the freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes. I know you want your popsicle, huh? You're looking for your popsicle. So we already did that. And go ahead and make it pretty. Put that cupcake holder on there. And you're going to have an easy, delicious, healthy popsicle just like that. Can I have a bite? Oh, thanks. Delicious.